Let's talk about motherhood today, or childbirth. Most times, so many people out here don't share their experiences and the effects that childbearing has left on so many women. What is your experience? Let me talk about the experiences I know, I have heard of, I have experienced, and those around me have also gone through. So, if you notice, childbearing comes with a lot of disadvantages to the woman that is not talked about. Most of the time, as women, the moment you conceive is where you face a lot of changes in your body, in your life generally, career, everything. And the bitter truth is, childbearing to women causes us more damage than good. And that is a bitter fact. And you'll find when you give birth, there are women who push, they call them what? Normal delivery. And then there are those women who undergo through C-section. And all those are life-threatening times a woman faces the first season of childbearing. You'll either come out very fine or you will come out very damaged. When I say you will either come out very fine, there are women who give birth and they do not have any effects after. But then there are women who give birth and then they have a series of side effects that come with childbirth. Some of them include memory loss, not really complete. There are those who have complete memory loss, then there are those that have selective memory loss. There are those who get fistula. Fistula is when you end up like you have a damage in some of your organs inside caused by childbirth, and then you find yourself leaking like urine or even shit. Then back pain, most of the women go through that. You find you permanently have excessive back pain, excessive waist pain, like you find if you used to function well, like work long hours, you find yourself, you can't even stand for 10 minutes or 20, you are exhaustedly tired, you can't sit for long, you can't stand for long, your spinal cord has issues. Then you can be like, Then there are people whose bodies react differently. You'll find there are people who become fat, excessively fat, and then there are those who become smaller. I don't know, so many people at least face different challenges with effects of childbirth. But let's talk about career-wise. Most women, if you're a career woman and you give birth, you realize that you are pulled back. You have to make sacrifices. You have to give up some of your dreams, because now you have to nurture someone you have brought into this planet Earth. And it's not that you can abandon them, but you'll have to sacrifice so much. And you find even your brain generally does not work the same as someone who has never given birth. You'll find the person who has never given birth, there's a way their reasoning is more faster than the person who has given birth. For some people, not all, for some people, there is a way childbirth affects that too. So there is a lot. Your energy levels change. there are things, it is different. So if you're planning to have children, one thing you should know, there is a lot you have to sacrifice. You sacrifice a lot, like 60% of your life on service. The other one, some even sacrifice 80% on service, and then the other one for yourself. But then sometimes life can make you have to choose, force you to choose you, or see how to balance. But once you give birth, a woman is always, it's like they put for you so many bricks behind you to pull you down, compared to how it is for men. For men, just prosper and strive more. But women, we are pulled back because we have to sacrifice more into giving, pouring your knowledge, your energy, your brain into the child to nurture them, as well as to try to see how to stabilize. And the effects of childbirth, they are so damaging sometimes that you find you carry it for the rest of your life. I don't know. Now, like me, I have serious issues of back pain. Sometimes if I am fatigued, if I don't press that back, like you feel like you need a trailer to walk on your back, you feel like someone should roll you like a chapati for you to feel better. There is a lot that comes, and different people face different challenges. Recently, I had someone saying after she gave birth, she went blind, completely blind. I didn't know it would even go to that extreme. So when they say Happy Mother's Day, and you see people loving their moms, the sacrifice is so much. It is so, so much.